In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this render scene in 4 minutes. This is how the scene looks like in Blender. These are very complex looking meshes, but they were created in minutes. I have used a subsurf modifier, and 3 simple deform modifiers. If I turn them off, you'll notice they were only beveled spiral curves. In order to create a spiral, we must activate an add-on called Extra Objects. I created the spiral curve like this. I'll show you what each modifier does. I have used stretch, twist, and taper. Please experiment with other combinations to get the best looking result. Then I added a bluish metallic material. This spiral curve only has a different color and modifier factor values. I have included 2 of them, to show you how they can take different shapes easily. This was the ground plane material. I didn't use composite nodes, and used the Cycles render engine with 16 samples. I have used 16 samples to save time. Please use at least 128 to get the best looking result. Here are my sky texture settings. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.